Welcome back to the beach. We are still talking about walking wisely with non-believers and how to do that tactfully and how to do it by making the most of our time or opportunities. My Bible's open to Deuteronomy chapter 4, verse 5 in the Hebrew Bible. And one of the things that Deuteronomy does, it is giving the law, giving the precepts and all the regulations that were given in Exodus, Leviticus, and parts of Numbers. It's rehashing them and giving them a new package to a new generation. Moses gives us an outline of how to teach a younger generation that it was not there when our fathers and grandfathers and great-grandfathers were establishing the church or whatever we were doing back then. And he tells this new generation, look, Israel is going to be having an impact in the world. And there's something that you need to do to increase that impact, that influence amongst the world. And here it is. See if you can pick up something that the world always criticizes the church when it comes to believers and Christians. Listen in, Deuteronomy 4, chapter 6. Obey them completely, meaning the statutes and regulations that God has given us. Obey them completely, and you will display your wisdom and intelligence among the surrounding nations. Wow, that's significant, isn't it? Just by obeying the word of God, we're sending a clear message to those who don't know Christ. A wise message. Remember the prayer of St. Francis of Assisi? Preach the gospel at all times, if necessary, use words. You know, there's something to be said about that. There's always a time to use words. Yes, of course. But you know what? Equally, there's a time to let our lives and our light shine. How we treat people, how we treat the janitor or the person serving our food or the person bringing up our groceries. How do we treat them? Especially when we're around other non-believers. What do they say? What do they think? Our testimony could speak the loudest when we're saying nothing at all. And remember, go with God because he goes with you.